Namaskaram Andarki. This stage is like very special to me. This is my first film, my debut film, and I really thank director Garu and producer Garu for trusting me and giving me such a challenging role in the film. And I would like to thank my co-star. I don't forget as he forgot, but yeah, he's an amazing person too. And there was a lot of fun. It's not just acting all the time when he's around. And yeah, this might be a small film, but we made this film with lots of love and hard work. And I'm very happy that all you media people are here and trying to support us. And we have done a good film. We all believe that. And yeah, trailer is going to be out, and hope we all going to love this because I didn't watch the trailer yet, and also the film. Thank you so much.